Hey guys, today I am going to be checking out this mold from Daiso, my local dollar store, and I have an idea, I have a concept. I want to make an aquarium, a terrarium, and a herbarium. Now, this is my first time using this mold. It's a dollar store mold. I don't know how it's going to work, but let's give it a go. I am starting with the aquarium. I am mixing some crushed seashells and some star sand from Okinawa, I believe. And I kind of wanted to do this in layers, but it was my very first piece. I didn't know what I was doing, so I ended up mixing it up, but the end result doesn't look too bad, so I'm okay with it. Anyway, I am curing the first layer here, and then I will move on to the next side. First, I did a very thin layer here so I could place the little metal charm. These are, I think, for nail art, and I didn't want it moving around, so that's why I did the first layer. And then added a few more crushed shells and some resin. Connecting these pieces was really hard for me. I followed the instructions and it didn't really say how much resin to put in, so it was a learning experience. And here I cured it and it didn't stick together, but that I think is because I didn't put the star side, you know, the uncured side up. So I did it again and there it came out. I had to take all of this extra resin off. But there is the first light bulb charm, and then I'm going to move on to the Terrarium, no, the Herbarium. And I got these dried flowers at my local craft store and they were very expensive. I didn't realize dried flowers cost so much. But anyway, I am placing them into one side. This was supposed to be like the back side, but I ended up liking this side more in the end because it just had more color and more flowers in it. Here is a bit of just foil, and I thought it looked cute with the flowers. I am curing that layer, and I am working on the next layer, which I put they called it a star flower in. And I just should have added a little bit more of color, maybe some of the pink flowers and stuff to make it pop. So I got a huge air bubble on this side. I think the resin basically pretty much leaked out because you can see it, you know, all around the edge. I guess I just needed to put some more in. I don't know, but here is the final one. This is the terrarium, and I got a tiny deer figure and this fake grass, which is basically like shredded sponge, and I tried to make a terrarium, and this one did end up being my favorite. So first I cured the grass so it wouldn't move around, and then I added some clear resin, added the little deer in, and cured that. Here is the other side, and I actually got a huge air bubble in this too, so I had to add some extra resin. I think it ended up being okay, but I still don't know how to use this mold properly. And my pieces definitely need to be filed down a little and probably glazed, but at this point, after making 3 of these, I was done. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!